I want to ask a very, very interesting question. The question that I want to ask is, when you have Islam and Emaan and Ihsan all together in one hadith, how should you be understanding it? Now, I will explain that to you because it's very, very interesting. Wherever they are mentioned together, they have different meanings. And wherever they are mentioned separately, they could be referring to the same thing. For example, if someone says, can you explain what is Islam, Emaan? Islam and Emaan. And the response would be, Islam is the 5 pillars of Islam, and Emaan, the 6 pillars of Emaan. So, to believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Salah, Zakaah, Sawm, and Hajj, that's Islam. If you look at it carefully, it has to do with the actions more than anything else. So you could actually see all 5. The first one you can see when someone is uttering the Shahada. You can see someone pray, you can see someone stay away from food, you can see someone give Zakah, you can see someone go for Hajj. Those are the pillars of Islam. Iman is within the heart alone. You cannot really see it because a person can be hiding something and you wouldn't know. So if they believe in Allah and the books and the angels and the prophets and the last day and good and bad fate, etc., etc., all that is within the heart. That is Iman. When they are mentioned together in one statement or in one place, they are referring to 2 different things. One is referring to the actions and one is referring to the deeds of the heart. And when they're mentioned separately, like for example, someone were to say, is this person a Muslim? What their meaning is, both of them, they have Islam and Iman in them. Is this person a mu'min? They have Islam and Iman in them. Generally, they would be referring to the same thing when they're mentioned separately. So the muhaddithin have said, إِذَا اجْتَمَعَا افترقا وَإِذَا افترقا اجْتَمَعَا. When the 2 of them are together, then they have different meanings. And when the 2 of them are mentioned separately, then they have the same meaning. It's a very, very interesting point, and I hope that you've understood exactly what I have said.